Can aloe vera be used as rooting hormone? The video shows how aloe vera can be used as a natural rooting hormone to root plant cuttings. The aloe vera gel naturally contains auxins that are powerful root stimulant hormones needed for the growth of new cells. You can use the aloe vera natural rooting hormone to grow cuttings from any plant. Now make the aloe root hormone for cloning. Cut a thick aloe vera stem with a knife. Remove its outer skin and collect its pulp in a bottle. Stir the pulp to make it of smooth consistency. You can add some water if needed. This aloe vera gel can be stored in an airtight bottle to use in future. Alternatively, you can apply the aloe vera pulp directly on the cuttings as shown in the video. Prepare the cutting for rooting. This is a cutting from jasmine plant. Take a thin cutting, about 8-inch long. Remove all the bottom leaves and cut upper into half. Apply the aloe gel at 1 inch of the cut end of the cutting by dipping in the gel collected as above or directly from the aloe stem. Fill a small pot with river sand and water it thoroughly. Make a hole in the soil and insert the cutting in it. Seal the pot in a polythene bag and place it in a warm place in shade. The new growth will emerge in 1 to 3 months. See the new branches and roots. Use this method to root cuttings of any plant. Please like and share the video. Also please subscribe to the channel to know when the new videos are uploaded.